Hello students, good morning. Today let us learn a new poem which is about our earth. Okay, and the title of the poem is Mother Earth. Okay, in this poem the poet is very beautifully describing the importance of earth and what are the human beings doing. Are they saving the earth or they are destroying the earth? Okay, let us learn through this poem. Mother Earth, our Mother Earth, she is the only one who gives us birth. The trees, soils, mountains and hills, all are one by one getting killed. So, Earth is the only planet on which we are able to live. So, not only human beings, what and all is living, existing on the earth. Trees are existing on the earth, soil, mountains, hills, seas, lakes, all these are existing on the earth. But one by one they are getting killed by the human beings. So let us see. Earth is the one which is giving birth. Okay, which is making the things to exist on it. Okay. This is the only source and this is the only planet which is giving the life, but the people are killing one by one the natural resources of the earth. Mother Earth, our Mother Earth, she was once full of happiness. Rivers, lakes, seas and wells. In this place many creatures dwell. So what is he saying again? It was happy. Once upon a time the earth was very happy. Okay, all the seas, rivers, lakes, mountains, hills, everything was living happily on the earth. But now the earth is not happy because we are destroying it. We are destroying the natural resources which are present on the earth. In this place many creatures dwell, not only human beings. Animals exist on the earth, trees, crops, we are growing crops, mountains, hills, number of things are existing here, but we are destroying it one by one, spoiling one by one. Mother Earth, our Mother Earth, no one understands its worth. People work with a lot of zeal only to make money for their meals. So what happened? None of the human beings, no one is understanding the importance of the earth. They are working hard and they are only thinking about their lives. They are working with lots of zeal to make their meals. Okay, we are not thinking about the earth. We are not understanding the importance or the value of the earth. Mother Earth, our Mother Earth, in the forests we hear sweet birds chirp. Trees are cut one by one, but people on earth are planting none. So what is he saying again? Mother Earth, forests are there here on the earth, forests exist here and number of birds are taking shelter in those trees and number of birds chirp every day. But now human beings are cutting one by one the trees, but they are planting none. Nobody is planting at least one tree, but they are cutting the trees which are already existing. They are making, okay, they want to construct something, they'll destroy the trees and they'll construct there. Okay, they are in this way, they are spoiling our environment. Okay, we are spoiling the environment by our hands. So it's very sad about that. Mother Earth, our Mother Earth, oh, stop filling it with dirt. We are destroying it, no other. Save our Mother Earth. So what happened? We are doing this with our own hands. We are destroying the nature. We are destroying the environment. Okay, we are making noise pollution, sound pollution. We are polluting the earth. We are destroying it by our own hands. We are not thinking about the future generations. Okay, we are not saving the resources. So we have to save our earth and we should not destroy our earth. So this poem is about saving earth, students. We should not destroy our earth by our hands. Okay, this is the only planet on which we can dwell, we can exist. Life exists on this planet. So we have to save our earth. I hope you have understood the poem, students. Okay, if you have any doubts you can text in the group. Thank you.